How to save compressed copy of a project voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so please follow with me until the end. All what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page of the program. Now all what you have to do is record your audio, or you can open it from here, and now select it like this and click on file and go down to export, and go down you will find save compressed copy of project like this, and click OK, and everything is gonna be done. It's actually very easy, as you can see, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.